If you thought Roush Performance only teamed up with Ford in order to make performance Mustangs, you are wrong. And so was I, because this blew my mind when I found out they teamed up with Nissan to make a Frontier PRO-4XR. All right, I gotta go into a deep dive here because this thing is kind of interesting, and I think it's just Roush's way of dipping their toe into other areas to explore. From the factory, we're gonna get the standard Pro-4X, then it goes over to Roush for a little bit of performance mods. What does that entail though? Because visually, there's very little changes. You can see the truck is a little bit taller, not by a whole lot, but it's a little bit taller. It has different wheels. These are not the Pro-4X wheels. And you'll see little tiny badges. You get the Roush badge on the fender. There is a Roush Pro-4XR logo in the grille, but outside of that, not a lot's changed. It is still a good looking truck though, but according to the article, the journalist had asked Nissan why the standard Pro-4X logo was still used on the bed and not a Pro-4XR. Well, Nissan said that there was no way that they could come up with a visually appealing logo to put on there. I don't believe that. I think it was quite simple to throw an R logo at the end of it in one way, shape, or form and call it a day. But I don't run the marketing team there. So let's talk about modifications to this truck. Again, starts as a Pro-4X, with the difference being the 17-inch titanium wheels. Now they're going to be wrapped in Hankook Dynapro AT2 tires, and they are obviously a little bit different than the standard Pro-4X wheels you'll see on any other Frontier. Then Roush gets their hands on it, puts on their external reservoir shocks and new front control arms. Now this setup will give the truck 2 inches lift in the front. Now it also says they're going to give you 1 inch lift to the back using the factory leaf springs. Does not say whether they're adding a block or a helper spring or how they're acquiring this 1 inch lift. I will assume it's just a block, but it would be nice to know. So you get a total of 2 inches in the front, 1 inch in the rear. A little bit extra height is always a good thing. Now they're saying that's going to help with articulation and keeping the wheels on the ground longer during off-roading. But there was no mention of bigger tire size. So we're keeping the stock tire size, just adding a little bit extra height for articulation. Now you're also going to get a titanium colored skid plate, black lug nuts, and extensive R badging throughout that we discussed from the exterior, being the logo in the grille, the Roush logo on the fender. You're also going to get embroidered headrests and maybe a little Roush logo here and there in the interior. Now, journalists got their hands on this to run on an off-road course, and they said that they did feel that it kept the wheels on the ground a little bit better than the standard Pro-4X did. Now that would be due to the better articulation. They said it seemed to ride a little bit better over the bumps than the Pro-4X. They did get to drive them back to back. So they did say there was a little bit of a difference. They did not get to ride them on the road though, so they can't speak for the on-road handling. That is going to change since you did change the control arms and the shocks. So is that better or worse? We don't know. But it is pretty interesting that Roush is dipping their toe into the Nissan Frontier market. So how much is this Roush Performance going to cost you? Well, taking the Pro-4X and then add another $6,000 to that price tag will give you all of these modifications. Sounds like a lot for what you're getting, but keep in mind you're also getting a full warranty with it, and all of these things have already been pre-installed by professionals. You don't have to worry about changing your own control arms and shocks, and the fact that it'll void your warranty, no concern there. I think it's a pretty decent deal. So overall, the sticker for this Nissan Frontier PRO-4XR by Roush will cost you $49,385. Now, my thing is, if this truck sells well, is Roush going to slap a supercharger on top of this V6? I would love to see that. That would really be a cool stage 2 option for this truck, but that also depends on how well this truck sells. So if you like Nissan Frontiers and you want to get an off-road truck ready to go from the factory, check out the Pro-4XR. And then if they go well, maybe Roush will add that stage 2 supercharger. That's my hopes, but I would love to know what your thoughts are on this truck. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button on the way out, and I'll catch you on the next upload.